Karibu ingindini wa mesa ya vilingi wa mavona ndi tuisonga na mbeni kana nayo Silikali ni vangite kufikia Syana milioni 5 katono dhandatu ilasi ungu wa myaka 5 ikwate nzanzo ya polio. Oni kwatiania nake Minister Muviani wa Uiiti na kumicha ulawa wetakana vena avata Syana nini ikakwata nzanzo ila si kwambia kana ile kuidhiwa iambiwa kuya sivitali ni wa Ruiru level 4 na ulawi kauntini ya Kiambu na ndi isaso hii wangi ambiwa kuya kaunti ya Garissa, Kiambu, kaunti ya Ilovi pamwe na kaunti ya Kajiado vala wawetakana muthenyani wa kwambililia ukite ulani matuku 28 mwa mwei wa 8 mavanie kufikia Syana milioni 1 katono na livo chuma nicho niwe Josephine Koki.
If you don't take it seriously, it will treat you seriously. So this polio, if we do not take it seriously, it will treat us seriously.
Silikali ni vangite kunengana nzanzo ya polio kwa Syana milioni 5 katono dhandatu ilasi yiithiwa wa myaka 5. Ainena nandiki mama ovo Minister Muviani wa Uiiti Susan kumicha ni wasya kana iseso yuna yila yambiye sivitalini wa Ruiru level 5 kaunti ya Kiambu yiithiwa yitwaiwa nthini wa ilungu 3 nthini wa kaunti ila si mwisioni wa uwau wa polio.
Cases of children under the 15 years normally show signs of weakness of limbs, arms, legs, which is not due to injury, should immediately be reported to the nearest health facility. These are the first signs of polio. As a ministry, we are cognizant that our population remains at risk as long as cases continue to be reported in the 2 endemic countries.
As a country, we have also made significant progress in ensuring that our children receive the very best of care and therefore are able to achieve their full potential. Our immunization coverage stands at 80%, but that national figure masks the disparities and inequalities that exist, especially in the northern arid lands.
Dhini wa iseso yeyambe ya mithenya 5 Minister owa wetakana yambia kauntini ya Garissa, Kiambu, Ilovi na Kajiado vala Syana milioni 1 katono 8 ikwikwatibwa kukwata nzanzo ya polio. Iseso yila yikathela wa kwambililia matuku 28 mwaini o.
In this round 1, we intend to reach 1.8 million children under 5 years. The country has had 6 outbreaks since 2005, which were linked to ongoing outbreaks in our neighboring countries. On the 22nd of June this year, we received a notified of isolation of polioviruses from samples collected from 3 children in refugee camps in Garissa. As of today, we have isolated polioviruses from a total of 6 children in Garissa County.
Iseso yake ili na ya katatu ikatwaiwa mwaini wa 9 na we 10 vala Syana milioni 5 katono dhandatu nthini wa kaunti 4 na ingi dhandatu ilani Lamu, Tana River, Wajir, Mandera, Kitui na Masaku ikanengwa nzanzo isu.
Round 2 and 3 will be conducted in September and October, targeting more than 5.6 million children in the other 4 counties and additional 6, which are Lamu, Tana River, Wajir, Mandera, Kitui, and Machakos. To reach all these children, vaccination teams will be moving from house to house, vaccinating all children under the age of 5, irrespective of their current vaccination status.
Na kumicha eatianie na ulau kwati yeta director wa Muvia wa Uiiti Patrick Amoth na ambassador wa US va Kenya Meg Whitman, governor wa Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi kati wa Tongwe Angi.
And we have a proportion of more than 300,000 children who have either not been vaccinated or are not fully vaccinated. The ones who are not vaccinated at all, the ones we call the zero-dose children, is 45,000 every year. Those pockets of children who are not immunized then pose a huge threat to others, even those who are immunized. And our appeal to all parents, caregivers, guardians, community leaders, religious leaders, everybody, is to ensure that during this campaign we leave no child behind.
We have to revise our approach, in my view, to these challenges so that we make it a sustained campaign. And in this work that we are doing, I want to propose that I believe the sensitization, the awareness creation must move at the same pace with the vaccination.
Ripoti ya Mutongoi TV ni Josephine Koki.